As you enter, and then like introduce you to like your family, introduce you to other flavors, then you
I'm also wearing jeans underneath.
at least you're efficient.
Yeah, in real.
Okay, Ashmo, how was the food? Would you recommend this Manjal place?
இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நாங்கள் ரொம்ப நாளாக சென்னையில் சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கோங்க. இங்கே நாங்கள் என்னெல்லாம் ஆர்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா இங்கே கறி தோசை, கொத்து பரோட்டா, அது வந்து ஒரு செட்டிநாடு சிக்கன், மீன் கரண்டி, மட்டன் சுக்கா, கேசரி, ஒரு பரோட்டா அடித்து தள்ளிருக்காரு. ஆர்டர் பண்ணிட்டு சாப்பிடவே இல்லை. செம்ம டேஸ்ட்டாக இருக்குது. நீங்கள் வந்து ஃபேமிலியோடு சாப்பிட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
Bye. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing really well. This is the first time I'm checking into this vlog actually, but I hope you're enjoying it so far. I thought I'll bring you along just like how I take you along in Bombay to like a week that I'm spending in Chennai, just because this is where I'm from and I don't feel like I've ever properly done this kind of vlog before. Like I've shown bits of it on previous vlogs, but I feel this is like a different type of filming and editing. So yeah, that's the intention, and I wanted to like take you along, show you the places we go hang out at. And like Chennai is a very people city. Like there isn't that much to do, but it's the people that make the city. So when I'm here I meet a lot of my friends, I meet like family. That's the main highlight, so you will see a lot of people in it in the vlog. But yeah, I also see Chennai as like home. I mean, obviously I'm from here, so when I'm here I like to get all my like medical things out of the way. Went and got laser hair reduction, and I'm going back later for a Q switch laser session. And while I'm here I'll also like make sure to visit my dentist and get like all these health things out of the way. Other than that, it's Diwali week. I'm going to a lunch right now. So Diwali lunch, it's one day before Diwali. Here we celebrate Diwali on the 31st, which is one day before the north celebrates it. My dad has this funny story about how when Rama flies back to Ayodhya, he crosses the south first, and therefore south celebrates it one day before. It's so funny. I don't think that's the reason. So tomorrow is our Diwali. So today we're having a little bit of like a Diwali lunch, and yeah, it's just cute vibes. Like everybody's feeling very festive, everybody's come back to town, and it's a very nice vibe. And when I'm here I make sure to eat a lot of கொத்து பரோட்டா. திடீர்னு நிறைய பேர் என்கிட்ட தமிழ் தெரியுமான்னு கேட்குறாங்க. பிறந்து வளர்ந்தது சென்னை, ஸோ தெரியும். I'm also from Madurai. If you don't know, like my family, my extended family are all from Madurai. My parents were born in Madurai, so yeah, we go there also quite often. My relatives still live there, some of them. I just hope you enjoy that I'm sharing a little bit more of like family history. I don't know what the word is, but like more of like, usually I don't vlog when I'm in Chennai because I feel like it's not very aesthetic. Like my room is firstly the like I've outgrown it, okay? Like I don't like this blue, I don't like this lighting, it's very cool toned. But yeah, I still wanted to give you guys a little bit of context and show you where I'm from and stuff and what's there to do in the city. So yeah, I'm very proud to be a Chennaiite. And I know I said I have to eat orange kuchi from Marina Beach, so that is still on my list of things to do. I will do it sometime. It's raining, so I have to find like a good time to go. And Diwali becomes very crowded on the beach So maybe post Diwali I'll go. I'll just take you along. This makeup turned out so nicely. I'm pretty sure it'll be up on Instagram by the time you are seeing this. I will link it, maybe this side, this side. Make sure to go watch it. It is my daytime Diwali makeup. By the way, in case you're wondering, this is like a unstitched material that I had got from this one shop inside Elko Arcade in Hill Road in Bombay, and I got it stitched here. I've already worn it before. If you watch my content regularly, maybe you've seen this, but yeah, today I'm wearing this outfit.
To live in Hanover when Fritz was on the loose, and my heart just goes out to every single victim they will slash the butcher of Hanover. So as always, let me know your
So it's been a couple of days since Diwali. After that, it's been kind of like I'm too tired to vlog, and I'm also like doing things with people, so I'm like trying to be in the moment, so I didn't really get that much footage on the days following. And then I got my period, so now I'm just like done with the vlog. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of like my life in Chennai. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. I notice a lot of you are unsubscribed but still enjoy watching my content, so if you want to know when I'm posting something, you have to be subscribed, so please do that. Yeah, I'll see you next week, either with a vlog or a sit down video. I don't know. Let me know what you want to see, and we'll make it happen. Bye.